Hello, I'm Mrinalini Dey, and I'm an academic rheumatology trainee from Liverpool in the UK, and I'm reporting for Rheum Now. So I'd like to highlight one of the posters that was presented at one of today's poster sessions with a focus on epidemiology and outcomes, specifically focusing on COVID-19. So this is abstract 0006 entitled Race and Ethnicity is Associated with Poor Health Outcomes amongst rheumatic disease patients diagnosed with COVID-19 in the US. And this is from data taken from the COVID-19 Global Rheumatology Alliance physician-reported registry authored by Gianfrancesco and colleagues. So as the title suggests, this work really highlights the impact of factors such as race and ethnicity on health outcomes in our patients who contract COVID-19. The study included patients with rheumatic disease and COVID-19 registered on the database between March 24th and May 22nd, 2020, which came to a total of 694 patients. So the authors used multivariable and ordinal logistic regression and Poisson models in order to investigate hospitalization, ventilatory support, and mortality, respectively. So the results showed that racial and ethnic minorities were more likely to experience poor outcomes, including hospitalization and the requirement for ventilatory support compared with white patients. And this was even after adjustment for their disease and comorbidities. It's quite similar to the findings found in the general US population, and it really puts into sharp focus the health disparities relating to COVID-19 and has wider implications for how we address the needs of the most vulnerable in our society. It also raises the wider question of race and ethnicity in infection in rheumatic disease in general, and whether this affects adverse outcomes with relation to this. And finally, this is just one important piece of work that's come out of the COVID-19 Global Rheumatology Alliance registry. And it really highlights the fantastic effort of the global rheumatology community in coming together at the start of the pandemic in order to conduct such vital work, which has real implications for our patients. And I'm sure we'll be hearing more about it during the remainder of the ACR 2020 Congress. So thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you'd like to receive more updates as the Congress takes place, don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Dr. Mrinalini Dey, or you can follow the Rheum Now Twitter feed as well. Thank you very much for watching.